I am a Chinese manufacturer of epdm sponge strips made from high-quality epdm rubber, which offers excellent resistance to heat, ozone. This product is commonly used for sealing, gasketing, and insulation applications in industries such as automotive, construction, and electronics to ensure optimal performance and make sure the surface is clean and dry before applying. Available in lengths of 1 size 10 megabytes, widths of 10 mesh of 50 millimeters, and thicknesses from 0.5 VR to 10 millimeters with customizable options to suit your needs.